Which cat tree tower is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Yahitech Large Cat Tree. Let's kick things off with the Yahitech Large Multi-Level Cat Tree. Priced at $49.97, this tower caught my attention with its impressive height of 63 inches and a design that seems tailored for feline fun. If you want a cat tree that combines playfulness and comfort, this is worth a serious look. So why does this product stand out? First off, the interesting layout ensures your cat has plenty of options. With a cozy condo, a comfy lower hammock, and a top perch for lounging, your kitty can explore and relax all in one place. The scratching posts are covered in sisal, which means your cat can scratch to their heart's content without destroying your furniture. Plus, the anti-toppling kit gives you peace of mind when your cat jumps around. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from 7,700 reviews, it's clear that many pet owners are happy with this choice. Now, some people complain about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's up, you'll have a sturdy cat tree that lasts, and honestly, most pet furniture requires some assembly. So if you can manage that, you'll be golden. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet fun play area for your cat. Skip this one if you need something extra sturdy for larger cats, or if you're not keen on putting things together. Now, if that assembly concern bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of setup. Product number 2, Globlazer Heavy Duty Cat Tree. Next up is the Globlazer Heavy Duty Cat Tree. At $99.99, it's a bit pricier, but it's designed for larger cats and boasts a height of 70 inches. If you want something that can handle big cats and provide them with a comfy space, this one's worth considering. What makes this tower special? The enlarged hammock is a standout feature, offering ample space for your cat to lounge comfortably. Plus, the spacious cat condo provides an inviting place for them to hide or take a nap. The 4 sisal-covered scratching posts help satisfy their need to scratch without damaging your furniture. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 1,100 reviews, it's clear that pet owners appreciate the size and sturdiness of this option. However, some users mention that the top perch is a bit wobbly. But here's the thing, when your cat is lounging or observing from above, it's usually not an issue unless they're jumping around. Just ensure it's securely set up and it should hold up well. This is perfect for you if you have larger cats or multiple pets that need a space to play. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or if your cats prefer smaller structures. It's a solid investment for comfort and durability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with active kittens. Product number 3, Yahitech 54-inch Cat Tree. Up next is another offering from Yahitech, the 54-inch cat tree priced at just $39.98. This one immediately caught my eye with its playful design, perfect for kittens and smaller cats. If you're after a fun yet compact cat tree, this is definitely worth a look. So why is this cat tree a winner? The kitten ear top perch isn't just adorable, it's also a cozy spot for them to lounge. Plus, the multiple sisal scratching posts mean they can stretch and scratch without damaging your furniture. With an impressive 4.5-star rating from nearly 40,000 reviews, it's clear that many are happy with this choice. Some users have mentioned that the overall stability could be improved. Here's the thing though, if you have very active kittens, it might wobble a bit. But for average play, it holds up just fine, especially if you secure it properly. This is perfect for you if you have multiple kittens or are short on space. Skip this one if you have larger cats that need more stability. At this price, it offers great value for the fun it provides. Now, if the stability concerns have you worried, the next product might catch your eye with its sturdiness. Product number 4, Geitelsner Cat Tower. Next, let's talk about the Geitelsner Cat Tower. At $79.99, this one is designed for larger cats and has a height of 63 inches. If you want a sturdy option that caters to your big fur babies, this is worth a closer look. What's impressive about this cat tower? It features 2 spacious platforms that are perfect for lounging and observing. The unique structure caters to both lazy cats and playful kittens, so there's a spot for every personality. The sisal scratching posts are durable, ensuring they can scratch without causing chaos in your home. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,100 reviews, it's clearly making a lot of cats happy. Some complaints mention that the assembly can be a bit confusing. Here's the thing, while it might take a little time to figure out, the end result is a very stable and spacious cat tower, which is definitely worth it for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you have larger cats or multiple pets needing a fun space. Skip this one if you're looking for something quick and easy to set up. It's a great investment for those furry friends. Now, if you're after something a bit more unique in design, the next one might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Hey Brother Cat Tree. Finally, we have the Hey Brother Cat Tree priced at $53.99. This multi-level structure caught my attention with its thoughtful design, especially for cats with mobility issues. If you need something that's easy for your older cats to navigate, this might be the one for you. Why should you consider this cat tree? The climbing step on the side makes it accessible for all ages of cats, which is super important as our pets get older. The design includes a cozy cave, a hammock, and multiple scratching posts, catering to cats with different personalities. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's clear that this design is appreciated. However, some users felt that the materials could be a little more premium. Here's the thing, while it may not feel as luxe as some of the pricier options, it still offers plenty of comfort and safety for your cats at a budget-friendly price. This is perfect for you if you have senior cats or a multi-cat household. Skip this one if you're after a high-end look. For the price, it delivers good value and functionality. To wrap things up, each of these cat towers offers something unique, from affordability to sturdiness, catering to different needs. Whether you have kittens, larger cats, or even seniors, there's a perfect option out there for your furry friend. To wrap things up, we've looked at the Yahitek Large Cat Tree, the Globlazer Heavy Duty Cat Tree, the Yahitek 54-in Cat Tree, the Geitelsner Cat Tower, and the Hey Brother Cat Tree. Each of these options brings something special to the table, whether it's fun for kittens or sturdiness for larger cats. Make sure to consider your cat's needs and your space when making your choice.